Hey everyone, okay, so foundation over 40, part 2. I shouldn't have really said that in case this doesn't become part 2. So in this video, everything is going to remain exactly the same as it was before. All products are the same except the foundation, which today's one is LYS, the Triple Fix Serum Foundation. And I got this really recently. I bought it from Beauty and I did a quick swatch and it was so beautiful. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this goes. So let's make a start. Everything will be the same. I'm using all the same products. So I'm applying a little bit of moisturizer and my skin is a bit on the kind of combination side at the minute because I've been doing this series of skin peels, and while my skin feels like glass, there's a little bit of kind of micro exfoliation going on around the nose. What can you do? Okay, let's make a start. Okay, so using a beauty blender, I'm going to take the same amount of product on every single video, which is 1 pump, and we're going to see how far it takes me. In case you're wondering what shade I'm using MP3. And I'm going to dot it on one's face. And I'm going to use every last drop because the goal here is to use one single pump regardless. So let's try it out. I did test this, as I mentioned. I did like a, what's the word? I did like a swatch on my face and it was so nice. Now this really does feel like a serum and not a foundation. I would say this is that finish is so good. This is a medium finish foundation. I would imagine, as with most things, if you use more, you'd get more coverage, but this is a beautiful, it is so radiant on the skin. Almost ashamed to powder it, but we will, since we are keeping everything the same. I just want to, that way there's continuity. You can see how the foundation looks. Rather than me using a different primer and a different powder and leaving a different finish, you get the same point of view over and over. But that is a really good finish. My forehead looks very shiny. Somebody mentioned, right, in a video of mine, I think it was the bathroom one I did, they were like, this guy's had loads of Botox. You can see it in his forehead. No, I haven't. I haven't had Botox for 10 years. But thanks for the compliment. I'm going to take it as a compliment, even though I know you didn't mean it as one. There you go. So, there is not enough foundation on here for me to take down the redness in my ears. There just isn't. That would require more foundation. That's why I'm not doing it. I want to show you what 1 pump of foundation can do. And this for me is more than enough coverage. Oh, it is a really beautiful finish. I've still got some excess redness here. And this is where I did this skin peel and it was quite a harsh one. It said no downtime. Yeah, there was downtime. And it's left this area a bit dry and a bit pink, and I've also got right on the nose as well. But it was a good peel. Okay, that's a great finish. This, I have a feeling this is going to become one of my holy grail foundations because it is bloody amazing. So next I'm going to use a spot of concealer in the exact same places I did before, which I think was just the inner corners, but we're going to touch the outer ones, touch down the bridge, and a touch here. And then we're just going to blend that in. Lovely. Lovely. I really like this foundation. I know I've said that, but it is so nice. It just looks so good. This is one of those foundations where I would prefer not to powder it. Well, powder just the T-zone because the finish is so good, but that's not how we started. So that's not what we're going to do. That's a great finish. Okay, so let's apply some powder again. And we'll just mattify and set. Lovely, lovely, lovely. If you have, I mean, I have very oily skin, but if you have dry skin, you will appreciate this foundation. You absolutely will. That was a piss poor job at blending onto my beard there, Gossy. I mean, what have I done? Terrible job. I always forget about my chin because I've got a beard. Piss poor job. Never mind, never mind. Okay, so with it set, the next thing we're going to do is apply a little bit of eyebrow product, just because I did in the last video, and foundation just gets trapped in the brows and can make it look a bit dull. So it's never a bad idea to just go through the brows with something just to, you know, bring them back to life. I just bring it up there. The mirror is so far away. See, look how far away that is. Yeah, I know. Bloody stupid is what I am. Okay, so I'm just going to run through that with a spoolie. Just clean spoolie. Just go through it. That was shade 2, by the way, that I used. Use shade 2. Okay, so next we're just going to use blusher, because I loves a bit of blusher. I does. Loves it. So as always with blusher, it goes every single where it could ever possibly go on me. In round, glorious, marvelous, all over the place blusher. Delightful. Oh, so pretty and so pink. Like my earlobes. Or actually like my entire ears. Lovely. That's such a nice foundation. Just to finish it off, I will be applying a single coat of mascara, and I will be using the wand side of this mascara because the other side is horrific on me. That is so far away, Wayne. Please do not poke yourself in your eyelids. I can't even see. The only reason for doing mascara is once again because mascara can go, the mascara foundation can go on your lashes, and without it you can just kind of look quite small-eyed. There you go. That is the finished look with this foundation. I think it is absolutely marvelous. I love the finish of it. I love the finish of it before it was powdered. Generally, I would have probably powdered right here and then used the cream blusher on this section and then just a little powder here so that you still have that radiance from the foundation over all this section, but from the front you look completely matte. But I love it. I think this is a beautiful, beautiful, oh, it's such a good foundation. Love it. Let me know what your thoughts are if you've tried it. This is what it looks like on skin that isn't 12. I'm 43 and this is what it looks like. It looks marvelous. Let's give you a smile so you can see how it looks underneath the eyes as well as concealer. It's bloody marvelous. Let me know what your thoughts are right down there in the description bar. Hopefully next video I'll have a monitor so I can actually see, because I ain't got a bloody clue what's filming. Soon find out. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.